Welcome back to Train Sim. Today we're going to be doing the first mission of Northern Poland, which is called Station to Station. So let's get on with it. I'm going to use my favourite train, which is the Flying Scotsman, because it is just a beauty and it's British like me. Here we are. Station is loading in. Here it is. Pretty cool. Open the doors. Nice. Close them. Sound the whistle. Let's get going. And before the Mallards came around, Flying Scotsman was the fastest steam train in the world, coming in around 106 kilometers an hour, I think, which is very fast back in them days. See, there's animals in the fields. Unfortunately, graphics aren't too good, so they don't move. At the moment we're going 48 miles an hour. Passing another checkpoint. Accelerate to nearly max speed. Now in this game you don't want to go to max speed because you derail if you go around a corner too fast. Now the interior cabin is pretty cool. There's 2 seats. In some trains you can open the firebox, but this one you can't, unfortunately. Look out the windows. You can also go in the passenger carriages. Look around. Loads of different views you can have. But my favourite is the free view. So this one. I can see the station in the distance, which is always good. There is traffic in this game, which is cool. There's a truck just going over there. Very cool. There's the station. Crossroads as well, that's cool. Start to slow down a bit. Nearly there. Entering the station now. Open the doors for the passengers. I think we need to go forward a bit more. And there we go. Now we can drop off the passengers. That was great. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.